I don't see anything that looks like another storm coming though, right? Hey, do y'all know anybody that needs help down here? Like,
that's what we were looking for. I think we went all the way down the street. We're from University Village. We
same
just
here.
came down.
We heard that the apartments down there need help. Somebody told us that. I don't know. Yeah.
Well, those ones right there, I know they're like policemen and everything. We were told that they've mostly been evacuated.
Where do y'all live at in the village?
Philly 2000. It went right over us.
Oh, okay. That's the one with the roof missing, right?
No, that's the roof.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. First floor anywhere, dude. Oh, man.
Went right through the parking lot.
Yeah. That's what we saw. We're in the back of University Village. We're standing up on the, I've got the whole thing on camera. And I thought, at first I was like, this is cool as hell. And I was like, oh wait, it's really coming here. Someone said that, but then I had somebody check the radio. And I checked their radar. Someone called in Birmingham, and they said it looked okay. I don't know. Yeah, UA sent a text that said the tornado warning is over. Oh man.
Yeah, it got tore up.
We talked to some people that were picked up.
Yeah, I know that there's problems down
Man, was this truck on? It's on now. They might know where to go. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Y'all know anybody that needs help? Wait, help out here?
You gotta walk to the answer, bro. It's crazy right there.
Yeah. I could never even imagine something like this. Yeah. Y'all know anyone that needs help?
Someone called from over there.
Someone?
There's people, yeah, there's
people over there?
Yeah.
How about the end there yet?
Yeah, someone,
Alright, man. Hello? Man, we need to be careful about this roof coming down on us. Hello?
Down here?
You need help? Everybody alright down here? Yeah, man. Jeez. Man, they've got somebody over here. recording since the tornado touched down. Yeah, Alex, this is Zach. Well,
nice meeting you.
I'd wash your hands, Steve. Y'all, we heard there's another tornado coming. Shoot, yeah. Well, I looked over my shoulder and saw her face.
Dude, that's gonna freak me out.
There was
It looks like she was just.
I only saw one person at first. There was a girl laying out in the middle of the place. She fell out from the waist down.
Just what?
She was conscious. She just couldn't move her legs.
Get out of the storm.
Did y'all got her out?
Well,
I think we need to tell everybody, get out of here, right?
did y'all do anything else?
We were helping people come across. I had on flip-flops. I had to go back to my apartment and get shoes, gloves.
I had on boots and jeans, and I wouldn't have never made it.
Terrible, man. Terrible.
Do you live back there, man?
Yeah.
Where,
I live in that square. The one that just got that girl.
oh, fuck, dude. What did you do? You stay here tonight, man. I'm guessing you don't have a place, do you? Shit. Y'all okay?
I could hear it.
You had all this stuff? The gloves and everything, or what?
No. I got all this stuff. I used to be in the museum.
Yeah.
So I got